Well, good afternoon, lifestylers, and welcome back to Lifestyle with Latasha. We are at the final day of the 12 days of Christmas, and I am so excited. I hope that you have enjoyed every episode, that you've gotten some type of inspiration, that you just enjoyed it, laughed at me dancing a little bit, of course. But I hope that you really have enjoyed being a part of all the things that we have done around our house for this Christmas season. It's been a lot of fun. It has been a lot of work, honestly, but we have thoroughly enjoyed it because we're really kind of making this house truly a home for us. And so it has been a good undertaking. We're really excited about it and really excited about what's going to happen in the future. So in today's video, I am going to be doing our hot chocolate station. And if you've been a part of us for any period of time, you know that as a family, that is our drink of choice. We love hot chocolate. We drink it all year long, honestly, even in the summer on a night when we want to watch movies and have a family night. That's just something that we do. And so what I'm going to do today is I'm going to do our hot chocolate station, and I'm going to show you some of the items that I'm going to put into our hot chocolate station today. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to briefly go around and show you how I've decorated the kitchen. It won't be a full decorate with me because honestly, your girl is tired. It has been a long 12 days and we have really done a lot of work. So I am going to make it easy on myself, and I'm going to end with something that I thoroughly enjoy. But I must let you know that on the final Christmas 2024 video, it will be me doing a home tour. Just to let you know, once I do that video, I will probably be taking a break for a couple of weeks just to kind of relax and enjoy my family. As I mentioned before in one of my videos, I really, really love spending the month of December really entertaining my family and friends and us just doing great things and making memories. So that is what's going to be happening. So I want to say thank you for joining me through all of these sessions. I really appreciate more than anything all of your comments. I really appreciate the people who have chosen to subscribe. Thank you so much. I am humbly grateful. And as we move forward, if you continue to like what you see, please, please, please don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel, share it with your family and friends because we're trying to grow, and I'm really excited about that. And then as always, leave your comments down below because guess what? You guys engaging with me makes me feel like we're really connecting. And so I really appreciate that. I love you being here. I want to say thank you so much again, and let's get started with some drinks of choice. Take care. All right, so here we are, guys, and I'm just going to show you. First, I'm going to start out with some canisters, and then I'm going to put in these vanilla and milk chocolate balls that I actually got from Home Goods. They were priced at maybe $4.99 a box, and I want to say there were 10 or 12 of these milk chocolate balls. And the reason I get these is because sometimes when we're making hot chocolate, we would like to drop these in just to add a little bit of extra richness to our cup of hot chocolate. I think one of the main reasons that my family and I enjoy hot chocolate is it always puts us in the mindset of being able to be in a relaxing environment, just being able to chill and wind down. As you can see, these are individually wrapped, which makes them perfect for you to just unwrap it. You don't have to really make sure that it's protected or sealed. The second thing that I'm going to do is, you know what is Christmas without a good old candy cane? So I decided that I wanted to get some candy canes because guess what? You're going to need something to stir those hot chocolate balls with when you put them in your hot chocolate. So I'm actually going to take these and just put them around this container just so that they're readily available when someone get ready to use them. All right, moving right along to the next item that I'm going to have in the hot chocolate station this time is going to be some marshmallow chocolate stirrers. These, I've actually had these before and they were really good. We always try something different just to see what we enjoy the most. And so I'm always looking for different options. And I'm going to be honest, I went by Home Goods, my local Home Goods, and they didn't have as much of a variety as I thought they would. So I'm feeling a little bit limited with the items that I'm going to choose, but we're going to make it work the best way we can. And then I'm probably this weekend going to hit some other stores and see what they have, because sometimes some of the larger stores actually have a lot more of inventory. So I started out putting this in the shorter container and I realized that I would not be able to put the top on them. So I decided to switch it to the larger one. And then I'm just going to use the shorter one for my hot chocolate Keurig pods. All right, so now we're going to transition over to setting up the area where I keep my hot chocolate station. And that's it's a desk area in my kitchen. So I found this great sign at Big Lots, and I'm going to put it up there. And there's a little surprise about this sign that I think is so cute. But I'm going to put it there. Then I'm going to put back the marble tray that I had used from the fall. I think it's perfect for the holiday season. And then I'm just going to arrange these containers on the tray just to get everything set up. All right, the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to add in this golden tree that's kind of sequin. I'm going to put it in the corner. And then, of course, I have to bring in the reindeer. I have so many reindeer sets that I absolutely love putting them in place and just allowing them to create an atmosphere. I've got this little tree that I got from Big Lots or either Home Goods maybe a couple of years ago. And then, of course, my little birds. I don't know what it is, but I have a love for birds here lately in this season part of my life. And then I'm going to bring in some mugs just for us to utilize in this space. Now, typically for our hot chocolate station, I would do our Santa Claus mugs, but I decided I wanted to do something a little bit different since I'm not going to be utilizing too much red, even though the deer do have pops of red. I decided that I wanted to go with more of a neutral color here, and the color that I'm going to be using around the kitchen does not necessarily go with the red. So I just decided I wanted to switch it up a little bit, but this is what it looks like all up close, and I am just absolutely excited the way that it turned out. So as I said before, I'm not going to be necessarily doing a decorate with me, but I wanted you all to get a visual of what my actual kitchen looks like completed. And as you can see, we added some garland above the cabinets just to bring in some more of that Christmas spirit. This is the hot chocolate station, which tends to be one of the most utilized stations outside of the stove in my kitchen. Like I said, my husband, when he's working, my daughter, myself, the grandkids, we are all thorough lovers of hot chocolate. And so this is our eating kitchen area. And as you can see, we went with blue and gold. And I have these beautiful, beautiful placemats that I got from Big Lots a few years ago that are blue with gold writing that says joy and peace on them. And then I was able to find some napkins that actually have joy, peace, Noel, and Mary on them that are the same color. Here's a tree that you've seen in prior videos that I did. I did it in blue and white and gold just to add in the cluster wave effect. And so it is a perfect size for this space. It's only about 7 feet tall, but it is a slim tree. This is the place setting that we've done. And those are the place napkins canister that I had that I put a tree and some lights in because, as I said, our table is active, so we utilize it a lot. And then this is that little area where I have things set up. Now, Got my Norfolk pines, found some sprigs that have lights on them from Amazon. I'll link them down below. The tapers are from Amazon. The deer is actually from Big Lots. And then the other items I have had for quite a while, but I love the way that area turned out. Then going out of our back door, I put an oversized wreath and lit it as well. And as you can see, the napkins and the placemats actually both have peace on them. So that was just perfect. And this is just a space that we decided to decorate. So I didn't overly decorate in the kitchen. I just put pops of Christmas all around it, and I think it turned out well. Please let me know what your thoughts are down below. I would love to hear what your comments are. And in the meantime, I've got to do one final thing. And if you've been here before, you know it's the twilight view. Enjoy and take care. Merry Christmas, guys.